My name is Alan Lemaire, also known as Chef Lemaire. I was born and raised in Port-au-Prince, Haiti, and now I am a resident of South Florida. I didn't grow up in a family where somebody taught me how to cook or gave me the steps, instructions. It all really started because I had a desire and a passion, I guess, that I didn't know about food, and just went in the kitchen and tried to duplicate and replicate everything somebody was doing. And it wasn't until later that I realized that I had that passion, so I decided to pursue an education in culinary arts at the Johnson & Wales University. I would say that my style of cuisine is a modern Caribbean world fusion, and what we stand for is delivering bold, fresh, and in-your-face type of flavors. Me with Chef David Desenob, we paired up with Gap City in Haiti, which is a production company, and we've put together Le Chef, which is a cooking battle TV show, the first ever televised cooking battle show out of Haiti. The format is simple. Two chefs compete against each other for 45 minutes, secret ingredients, and the winner moves on to the next round. It is a tournament style, and at the end, the winner earns cash and the title of Le Chef for the season. As of right now, the show is open to chefs, professionals, to amateurs, and even students who go to school. And our goal is to be able to attract chefs from all corners of Haiti to come and participate and represent their region. One of my biggest experiences so far has to be Cutthroat Kitchen on Food Network. It was a very, very interesting experience to battle on TV, and that millions and millions are watching was kind of nerve-wracking at first. Then you have to face those challenges, which are real. There's no gimmicks, there's no shortcuts or anything. Everything was real. So it was pretty exciting to be on the show, number one, and then to end up being the runner-up, which was pretty much for me an accomplishment. I strongly believe in staying connected with my fans and people who want to learn from me. So I have Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Pinterest, any type of social media outlet you can imagine, I pretty much have it. And it's pretty challenging to keep up with it because you have to post all constantly and you have to interact with your fans when they ask you questions and stuff like that. So I love to do those things, especially doing my YouTube cooking channel. They are quick and easy recipes that anyone can follow and replicate themselves. And I found it very interesting because a lot of people watch it and tell me afterwards that they never knew how to do certain things and now they can do it. My website is www.cheflemaire.com. All my social media outlets are Chef Lemaire.